2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland, and it is the perfect SUV if you're looking for something with heated, cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, tow package, and more. I'm Alana here at WOODYS Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, comes in this dark gray exterior color. I love it, especially with your chrome on your grill there. I love how there's like chrome inside of the grill as well. And you have these two tow hooks down below, projector beam headlamps, fog lamps, all of that stuff. And then looking underneath this hood, you have a 3.6 liter V6 engine for that nice power and fuel efficiency. And then looking down at your wheels, those are massive 20-inch alloy wheels. They look gorgeous. And then coming over to your side mirrors, those are chrome capped with those indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection. So that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. You also have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats, have that Overland embroidered right there in the middle. Super comfortable and soft, and they are powered, heated, cooled, everything. Awesome seats. Then looking at your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls there with media controls on the back. And then looking at your 8.4-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect, you have your radio options here, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You've also got your media controls here, climate controls, they are dual, so you can have different temperatures on each side, and then all of your Uconnect apps, including these off-roading pages, so you can have kind of a hands-on feel for your vehicle. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle, so you can have that off-roading capabilities as well. So you can see all of your different stuff, your suspension, all of these gauges and everything right there. Then you also have your heated cooled seats right there, heated steering wheel button as well, and you have your backup camera so you can see clearly behind your car when you are backing up. Navigation is on this page, so you have really easy way to get to your destination with this map, and then you have your phone settings so you can pair your phone with Bluetooth and make phone calls and text messages right there. Below you have everything in button form too, so if you'd rather use the buttons for your climate controls, it's really easy right there. And then you have your traction control, sport mode, eco mode, active stop and go, and your park sensing system right there. Below here you have a media hub with a 12-volt, 2 USB ports, and an aux port. Love this kind of silvery design as well. And then you have two cup holders here, and your select terrain system with your four-wheel drive, hill descent, and your air suspension all around that dial. Then looking into your center console, you have a CD insert and then a spot for some stuff right there in 12 volt. Then looking up, you have SOS Assist, which is subscribable. You have universal garage door openers right there, and then controls for your panoramic sunroof. So this is just amazing. I love panoramic sunroofs. It just really brightens your day. And then making your way out, you have a Harman Kardon sound system for amazing sound. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You can also fold down this cup holder armrest there. And these seats are heated, so you have your 2 buttons down there along with 2 USB ports and a 115 volt. These seats can also fold down, so it gives you some extra space in your trunk to have these folded down. Then make your way around the back. Got that roof rack on top. Lip spoiler, your tail lamps, Overland, and 4x4 badging. And then you have your rear sensing system, so that'll alert you to any objects behind your vehicle, and then you have a tow package so you can bring along your trailers and stuff on vacation. Then you have your power trunk and remote start on your key fob. And then you have lots and lots of space back here in your trunk. You have a sun shade that you can pull out, and then you have your spare tire located underneath right there. So overall, just great vehicle. So many features to love inside of this Jeep Grand Cherokee. You have those heated cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, tow package, and just everything. So if you want to see this Jeep or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WOODYS from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.